Hi students, this is T. Balakrishna, Chemistry Lecturer, GPT Kottagudem. Today our topic is Brownian movement in colloidal solution. Before going to discuss about the Brownian movement in colloidal solution, first we will prepare two solutions, two types of mixtures. One is solution, another one is a colloidal mixture. Solution is an example for homogeneous mixture. Colloid is an example for heterogeneous mixture. First I will try to prepare homogeneous mixture. So salt solution. This is salt. Salt dissolve in water. It is homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means one component is completely dissolved in another component. There is no residual particles in this solution. So it is homogeneous mixture. The salt dissolved in water, homogeneous mixture. It is an example for solution. Solute particles are completely dissolved in solvent. Solute plus solvent is equal solution. It is a solution. It is an example for homogeneous mixture. Right, next we try to prepare colloidal solution. Chalk dust is in a chalk dust. This chalk dust is dissolved in water. It is in a chalk dust. I try to dissolve this chalk dust in water, demineralized water. Students, it is in a heterogeneous mixture. The chalk particles are spreaded in water. One component is spread in another component. One is a dispersed phase, another one is dispersed medium. In a solution, one is called solute, another one is the solvent. In colloidal, it contains two components. One is called dispersed phase, another one is called dispersion medium. So some components are spreaded in another component, that is called colloidal. The size of the particles in colloidal solution is the 10 angstroms to 2000 angstroms. 10 angstroms to 2000 angstroms. Students, here we are trying to learn about the Brownian movement. Brownian movement means the random and zigzag movement of colloidal particles is called Brownian movement. The phenomena was named by Brownian scientists. So this is called Brownian movement. So you saw this video. The particles, the colloidal particles, the size of the particle above the 10 angstroms and below the 2000 angstrom particles are moving. They are randomly moving and zigzag movement. You observe this solution. There is no movement in there is no particles are present in the solution because it is a homogeneous mixture. Come to the colloidal solution, it is an heterogeneous mixture. Brownian movement, the random and zigzag movement of colloidal particles is called Brownian movement. So you saw this video, some particles are moving zigzagly, so that movement is called Brownian movement. Simple logic. Okay, this phenomena is not observed in the normal solution, colloidal solution, because the solute particles are completely dissolved in solution. There is a no movement of another particles, solute particles in solution. But come to the colloidal solution, the particle size is more, so they are moving in a dispersed medium. So that movement is called Brownian movement. So dispersed particles are zigzagly movement in dispersed medium. So I repeat the definition: the random and zigzag movement of colloidal particles in colloidal solution is called Brownian movement. This phenomena only observed in only colloidal solution. The Brownian movement is due to the collusion between the colloidal particles. దీంట్లో మూమెంట్ ఎందుకు కనిపిస్తుంది అంటే ఒక పార్టికల్ ఢీకొని వాటి డైరెక్షన్ చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాయి. అందులో మూవ్ అయ్యే పార్టికల్స్ ఒకదాని ఢీకొనడం వల్ల వాటి డైరెక్షన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. అందుకే వాటికి డైరెక్ట్ పాత్ ఉండదు. ఒక డైరెక్షన్ నుంచి ఒక డైరెక్షన్ మూవ్ అయ్యి జిగ్జాగ్గా మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి మన కొల్లాయిడల్ సొల్యూషన్లో మనకి ఈ బ్రౌనియన్ మూమెంట్ అనేది కనపడుతుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సొల్యూషన్ అండ్ colloidal. We observe the only Brownian movement in colloidal solution only. Thank you. I repeat definition: Brownian movement means the random and zigzag movement of colloidal particles is called Brownian movement. This movement is only observed in colloidal solutions only. Thank you, students. This is T. Balakrishna, chemistry lecturer, GPT, Kottagudem.